Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to perform CPR, or Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, a crucial skill that can save lives in emergency situations. First, ensure the scene is safe for both you and the victim. Check for any immediate dangers. Next, check the person for responsiveness. Tap their shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If there's no response, call for emergency help immediately. If you're alone, use your phone's speaker function while you begin CPR. Check if the person is breathing normally. Look for chest movement, listen for breath sounds, and feel for breath on your cheek. If the person isn't breathing or is only gasping, start chest compressions. Place the heel of one hand on the center of their chest, then place your other hand on top. Interlock your fingers and keep your arms straight. Push hard and fast at least 2 inches deep and at a rate of 120 compressions per minute. Let the chest rise completely between compressions. After 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths. Tilt the victim's head back slightly to open the airway, pinch their nose shut, and give a breath lasting about 1 second. Watch for the chest to rise. Continue the cycle of 30 compressions and 2 breaths until emergency services arrive or the person starts to breathe normally. If an AED, automated external defibrillator, is available, turn it on and follow the prompts. The AED will guide you through the steps. Remember, your quick actions can save a life. Practice CPR regularly and consider taking a certified course for more in-depth training. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving tips.